Self-install Verizon Home Internet. If you just got Verizon Home Internet, whether it's 5G Home or LTE Home, the setup is quick and something you can do yourself. Self-installing saves you time, avoids technician fees, and gets your home connected within minutes. So in this video we'll talk about how to do this all by yourself in a few simple steps. So first off, of course, you will need to unbox everything that is inside your self-install kit. That's going to be the internet gateway, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick start card. And before powering anything up, just install the Verizon app. You can grab it for your phone, and this is where activation happens. And now an important step: 5G home internet relies on signal strength, so place the router near a window, exterior wall, or a high shelf. And avoid closets, basements, and behind TVs or metal cabinets. That will just interfere with the signal. And then you can power up the router, plug in the gateway, hold the power button, and wait for the light to turn solid white or green, meaning it's online. And then in the app that we have installed, go to Setup Home Internet and scan the QR code on the bottom of the router. And the app will detect your gateway, run a signal check, and finalize activation. If the app suggests relocating the router for better signal, follow this recommendation. Then on your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi and choose the network name printed on the bottom of the router. Enter the default password. You can also rename your Wi-Fi inside the app. And then you can just open up a browser, navigate to any website, and check your speeds. For example, speed test will do, and you go to this website and run a speed test. And this is how you fully install and set up your Verizon router for home internet. If this helps you out, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell to not miss the new fresh videos we upload every week. Enjoy, guys. See you soon.